Noteey version 1.28.0 release notes. First is enhanced Project Left Sidebar. In the new version, the Project Left Sidebar will display all major elements present on the current board, including cards, mind maps, images, PDFs, and other types of elements, giving you a better sense of control over the whiteboard. In the left sidebar, we've implemented several powerful features: search, filtering, and sorting. First, search. You can directly enter keywords into the search box at the top of the left sidebar to quickly find the elements you want. Second, we've introduced a powerful filter within the left sidebar. Similar to the type filter in the library, you can filter by element type, for example, showing only cards or only images. Third, you can sort elements within the left sidebar. It supports sorting in alphabetical order or by creation date. Fourth, the content list displayed in the left sidebar dynamically corresponds to the current board. Therefore, when I switch to another board, the list in the left sidebar will update accordingly to display all elements in the new board. Furthermore, after you add multiple elements to a frame, in the left sidebar, these elements will be automatically nested under that frame hierarchy, making the list more tidy and organized. We've integrated the bookmarks feature into the left sidebar. This bookmark serves as a dedicated project-specific favorites. Bookmark data is saved and belongs to the project metadata itself. This means when you export a local backup of your project, the bookmarks will be exported along with it. For example, you can easily add a PDF file or an image to a bookmark. Once added, they will immediately appear in the bookmark list. Another point worth mentioning is the cooperation between the two sidebars. When you select any element in the left sidebar, the info panel on the right side panel will update at the same time, displaying the information about that selected element. This design enables the two sidebars to work together efficiently and saves users a lot of time. Next is more stable and precise mind map drag and drop. We've optimized the drag and drop experience for mind maps. Node movement is now smoother, more precise, no longer wonky. Third is filter highlights by source and library. When you choose to view only the highlight type within your library, you'll see a source filter box, which will list all source documents that contain highlights. You can directly select a specific source, and the library will then display only the highlights within that source. You can directly enter file name keywords in the drop-down box to quickly locate the corresponding source. Next is customize card styles and save as default. Cards on the canvas now have border styling capabilities. You can freely adjust the border width, color, and corner radius, allowing you to easily create your own unique card appearance. Furthermore, you can save this as the default style. New cards created later will automatically use this default style, ensuring visual consistency. If you want to revert to the system default style, just right-click on a card and select Reset Style to restore it with one click. Cards created afterwards will also follow the initial style. Next is background color option for Canvas. A background color option has been added to the Canvas right-click menu. You can freely set the background color of the canvas, providing more suitable visual effects for different types of content. Next is add cards to specific boards within a project. When adding a card to a project, you can now choose to add it directly to that project or to a specific canvas within that project. This makes content organization much easier. Next is add cards from the canvas to a project. Besides adding from the library, you can also directly add cards from the canvas to a project, enabling cross-project management without needing to navigate away. Next is board and card counts in Project List View. When you switch a project to List View, you can also directly see the number of boards and cards in the current project, making it convenient to quickly get basic project information. Next is drag and drop file import to library. Simply drag files from your computer onto the library to import them directly into your library. It's very convenient and doesn't require a complicated import process. Next is consistent default size for images. Regardless of how you add images to the canvas, whether through the top toolbar, the right sidebar, or by dragging and dropping them directly, Their default size remains the same, ensuring a clean and consistent visual effect. Next is keyword filtering, now available. Within the filter function, we now support using keywords as search conditions, helping you filter desired content more flexibly. For example, filter with the keyword draft after filtering. You can view all elements in the library whose titles contain draft. Next is quick mode for video highlight. While playing a video, you can click the quick note button to add a video highlight quickly. The video will continue playing, allowing you to create timestamp notes while watching, which is convenient for later review and learning. Next is responsive UI in the library. When adjusting the application width, the buttons at the top of the library will automatically wrap to new lines based on the available space, ensuring these button labels do not overlap at different window sizes. Next is card enhancements. First, cards now support deleting their title after deletion. The card retains only its body content. To restore a title, simply insert a heading 1 at the beginning of the card. Second, we optimize the list indentation experience, supporting more ways to add indented lists. For example, you can input the list first and then indent using the tab key, adapting to different users' input habits. Finally, you can now also insert images into list items. Simply paste an image directly after a list item. This allows for richer information display. The inserted images also support collapsing or expanding, keeping the interface tidy and organized.